What do you usually do when your washing machine is broken? You usually call the service center. Then you get tossed back and forth between representatives? My, we've all gone through this hassle. But no more worries. Now we have smart diagnosis. When something goes wrong with the washer, just go to the Smart Diagnosis application. Then place it to the washing machine and it will run its diagnostics on its own. Oh my! The door wasn't closed properly. Now, the problem was solved conveniently. Simple and easy enough, huh? Like this, the Smart Diagnosis provides easy solutions. Quickly and accurately, diagnostics and service is made possible. It eliminates unwanted and unnecessary expenses. Now, with Smart Diagnosis, enjoy the smart life.